Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I have already went in and prepped all of these nails, pushed back the cuticles, removed all of the dead skin around the cuticles, etched the nail plate, applied my tips, made them into a coffin shape, also blended the tip into the natural nail, dehydrated and primed using CJP, and now I'm just going in with my acrylic, which I'm doing an ombre design. So I'm using CJP Milky Pink, which is a perfect colour for doing an ombre. It's just a little bit like off-white. So I'm placing a bead in the middle of the nail and feathering that back over so I don't have that harsh line, and then I'm bringing that down the nails, concentrating on the side walls, and then obviously, you know, the middle of the nail. So I'm using my Kolinsky number 10 brush. I think it's number 10 brush, and as I say, you can see I'm just feathering that back over, and then I use the tip of my brush for my side walls, and then I use the belly of my brush to just bring that product down the nail, and then obviously I always like scrape it like down on the tip just to make sure that it's all like perfect. So I just sped this one up because obviously it's just the same process, so you just don't get bored. And then once obviously that is dried, it just makes it easier if one colour is dried, especially if you're using light colours. If they're darker colours, then you need them to marble a little bit better. But if you're just doing a basic ombre, then I like when one colour is dry before I apply another. So I'm just going in with a bead of CJP Amore, which as you can see is this stunning baby pink, and just placing that by the cuticle area as close as I can get it without touching the skin, and then just bringing that over the pink. So I do drain the liquid out of the back of the bead just to make it more opaque, and I'm just really using the tip of my brush. I did find this one dried quite quick, so obviously I just had to apply a little bit more force to just drag that over the white, and then I still really wasn't happy with the line, so I just applied a little bit more, and then obviously brought that over. A good tip as well, when you're capping these kind of ombres, you can use CJP Negligee, which just helps make everything seamless and beautiful. But unfortunately I have run out of negligee, so I just have to cap it in clear. But yeah, so again I just do the same process on all of the nails apart from the ring finger, because I'm going to go in with a glitter on that one. So I don't think I recorded the thumb finger. Is that even a word? I went in on the thumb and done the same. So the glitter that I'm using is from Chameleon Glitter, and I'm sure it's Star something. I'll leave the name of it in the description box, and I'll also leave the link for their webpage as well, which they do some beautiful glitters. But as you can see, this is just a chunky silver holographic, which just brings a little bit bling to quite a plain like ombre set. I mean, ombres are beautiful, but we're just obviously, because we're going in with some gems and stuff, and some unicorn powder as well. So yeah, I'm just picking up a bead of clear acrylic, dipping it into the raw glitter and applying it to the nail. That way it is just much easier. So once obviously everything has dried, then I'll go in with my CJP Crystal Glass and just cap them nails. So I'm not too worried about putting any extra product by the cuticle area, because these are a strength powder, so I'm more bothered about getting my apex in, and covering the blend, and also obviously adding product to the tip, just making sure that all of my strength's there. But as I say, I'm not adding any more product to the cuticle area because I've already got my product there in anyways. So once obviously I've capped all these, I'll go in and do all of my filing, remove all of the dust off the nails, and then on the index finger I'm going to go in with my Blue Sky non-tacky gel top coat. It must be a non-tacky one. I'll cure that in my lamp for 30 seconds before I'm going to go in with my unicorn powder, which I purchased from Glitter Arty Nails. It is amazing stuff. I just bought these little pots on eBay as well, and I'm just using my finger. You can use a silicone tool, an eyeshadow applicator, but really your finger just works just as well. And just how easy, you just rub it into that non-tacky layer and it is stunning. So I didn't record applying my gems because, oh my god, it was just a nightmare. I've just bought one of those wax pencils, and I don't know if I've just bought a dodgy one, but I don't find them amazing at all. But anyways, I've got there in the end and got them all stuck on using CJP's gripper glue, which is amazing glue for applying your gems. So I'm just carefully going around the gems with my Blue Sky non-tacky gel top coat. And I will pop them into my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I will add some cuticle oil. So I've left some pictures, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this set of nails. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, and if you wouldn't mind subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!